I'm going to teach you how to check sold comps on Facebook Marketplace. If you've ever wondered what similar items have sold for in the past, or if you're simply curious about price trends, this simple guide will help you get all the insights you need to make informed buying or selling decisions. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Facebook, specifically to the Facebook Marketplace. You can find this by clicking on the Marketplace icon, usually located on the left sidebar of your Facebook homepage. This is where you'll be able to see all the listings available in your area, from furniture to electronics and beyond. It's a really useful tool, especially if you're looking to buy or sell online locally. Once you're on the marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can type in the name of the product you're interested in. For instance, if you're curious about how much a used coffee maker is going for, simply type coffee maker into the search bar and press enter. The search results will show you active listings that match your query. After this, look to the left of your screen and you'll find a menu with several filter options. This is where you can refine your search to get more specific results that best suit your needs. What we're particularly interested in is the filter section, which you should scroll down to find. Next, within the filter section, there's an option labeled sold items. You'll want to check the box next to this option. By doing so, you're telling Facebook to show you only the listings that have already been sold. This is incredibly valuable as it provides insights into what others have been willing to pay for similar items, giving you a clear idea of fair market prices. Once you've selected sold items, your screen will refresh and display only completed sales. This updated list will give you a comprehensive view of the items that have recently been sold on Facebook Marketplace, along with their final selling prices. Using this information, you can gauge if your item is priced competitively or if the item you're interested in is listed at a fair rate. Remember, past sales can be a powerful indicator of an item's market value. So examining sold comps can be an essential step whether you are buying or selling. And there you have it, a simple way to check sold comps on Facebook Marketplace. Remember, these steps can give you a head start in making data-driven decisions, so feel free to visit your marketplace often and explore different items whenever you need. Thank you for watching, and happy buying and selling!